So track your expenses. What luxury things you are doing, better to stop those things if possible. So your desires, luxury kind of things. No, your needs first better to fulfill. Okay, once the needs got fulfilled, still the money is there. No problem. You can go for your desires. You can go for your luxury kind of things. No problem at all. That's fine. So whether you are saving or not saving, man, your money is always not enough to fulfill your requirements. Simple rule. Whether you are saving or not saving, your money is not enough to fulfill your desires, to fulfill your luxury kind of things, luxury life. Then, okay, so anyway not enough, better to save, and then do the things. At least you will feel more comfortable. Array, I saved some amount. Like you may feel a bit happy. My tomorrow's life, yes, Barosa is there. There is no, I'm not required to worry about tomorrow's life. Like you people are going to get that. That's why saving, pay yourself first. If you are not paying for yourself first, then automatically you people are required to struggle until your lifetime. Thus, everyone in this session came to get financial freedom only. Sir, I want to get financial freedom. Money wise, I should not worry at all in my lifetime. Okay, compulsory this course, this series should be my life changing series with respect to the money. Like, if anyone is there with this goal, with this target in your mind, compulsory, you require to promise yourself. In any case, in any situation, okay, at least 10%, I'm going to separate. I'm going to pay for myself. Okay, every day, at least 1 rupee, I'm going to save.